little friends at Eagles. I hope everybody is well and staying home and being safe. Today, Miss Melissa is going to talk about some healthy snacks and some not so healthy snacks. I'm going to pick them up and I have two separate plates that I'm going to put them on, and I want you to help me. The first snack I'm picking up is what? An apple. What plate do you think this apple is going to go on? Is this a healthy snack or an unhealthy snack? If you guessed healthy, you're right. So I'm going to put it in the healthy snack pile. The next snack I'm going to pick up is a chocolate bar. What is a chocolate bar? Healthy or unhealthy? Even though it's yummy, this isn't as healthy, but it's okay to have some from time to time. So I'm going to put this in the not so healthy plate. The next snack I'm picking up is blueberry yogurt. I love my blueberry yogurts in the morning, and sometimes I have them in the afternoon. So what would this go under? You're right. If you picked the healthy plate, then this will go into the healthy plate. Next we have, actually it's a NutriGrain Bar, blueberry flavored again. What do you think this one goes under? You're right, this is another healthy snack. If you recall, in school, Miss Tanya, Miss Joanne, and I always tried to tell you to have your healthy snacks. So let's keep that up while we're at home. In the meantime, I'm going to put this on the healthy plate. Next we have an orange. Yes, oranges are healthy, so this is going to go on the healthy plate also with the rest of the healthy snacks. The last thing is Miss Melissa's favorite. Here's her Oreos. What are Oreos? Oreos are not so healthy, but you know, you can have them from time to time. I'm going to put this in the not so healthy pile. Over here we have some drinks. The first drink I'm going to pick up is water. Water is a very good, healthy drink to have during the day. So I'm going to put that in the healthy pile. The next one is apple juice. I love apple juice, and I know you friends also enjoy some apple juice. So I'm going to put that in the healthy pile. Next is our Dr. Pepper, which is like a soda. What do you think? No, this isn't so healthy. But again, from time to time, if you do have this, it's okay. See if you can go around your house today and pick out some healthy and not healthy snacks and share that with your family. So that's all for today, and let's end with our little eagle cheer. Are you ready? One hand on top of the other. Pretend you're touching Miss Melissa's hand, or anybody else maybe in your family is available. If not, on the count of three, let's do our cheer. 1, 2, 3. Little Eagles! Good job, everybody. And be safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.